Hello, Mark. Thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to discuss your potential role as a quality control engineer at Sanofi in Lyon. To start, could you briefly introduce yourself?
Certainly. My name is Marc Dupont, and I have over a decade of experience in quality control and process engineering. I hold a master's degree in chemistry and have worked extensively in ensuring high standards in product quality and safety.
Great to hear. Let's dive into some technical aspects. Can you explain the different types of titration methods and their applications in quality control?
Sure. The main types of titration include acid-base, redox, complexometric, and precipitation titration. Acid-base titration is used to determine the concentration of an acid or base in a solution. Redox titration involves electron transfer reactions and is useful for analyzing oxidizing and reducing agents. Complexometric titration is often used for metal ion analysis, and precipitation titration is applied in reactions that form an insoluble product. Each method has its specific application depending on the chemical nature of the sample being analyzed.
Thank you. How do you ensure accuracy when measuring parts per million, ppm, in a sample?
Ensuring accuracy in ppm measurements involves careful calibration of analytical instruments, using high-purity reagents, and employing standardized procedures. It's essential to have a well-maintained laboratory environment and to conduct regular proficiency testing. Cross-verification of results with different methods can also enhance accuracy.
Excellent. Let's discuss process optimization. How do you approach identifying areas for improvement in a production line?
I start by analyzing the current processes using data-driven methods to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Techniques such as Six Sigma and root cause analysis can be helpful. I also involve team members in brainstorming sessions to gather diverse insights. Once areas for improvement are identified, I implement changes on a trial basis and monitor the outcomes closely to ensure effectiveness.
In terms of soft skills, how do you handle conflict within a team, especially in a multicultural environment?
I believe in open communication and active listening to understand different perspectives. In a multicultural environment, it's vital to be culturally sensitive and adaptable. I focus on finding common ground and facilitating discussions to resolve conflicts amicably, ensuring that all team members feel heard and respected.
One more technical question. How do you ensure compliance with global regulatory standards in your quality control practices?
I stay updated with the latest regulations by attending industry conferences and subscribing to relevant publications. I ensure that our processes align with these standards through regular audits and training sessions for the team. Documentation and traceability are crucial, and I maintain a robust system for tracking compliance efforts.
That's reassuring to hear. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I'm curious about how Sanofi in Lyon integrates new technologies into its quality control processes and how innovation is encouraged within the team.
At Sanofi, we continuously explore new technologies like automation and AI to enhance our quality control processes. We encourage innovation by fostering a collaborative environment where team members can propose and experiment with new ideas. Training and development programs are also in place to keep our team updated with the latest advancements.
That's impressive. One last question. How does Sanofi address continuous improvement in its quality control practices?
Continuous improvement is part of our core philosophy. We use methodologies like Lean and Six Sigma to drive efficiency and quality. Regular workshops and feedback loops allow us to refine our processes and incorporate best practices across the board.
Thank you for the insights. I appreciate the opportunity to learn more about Sanofi.
Thank you, Mark. It was a pleasure speaking with you. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps. Have a great day.